आशा करता हूं कि आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे केमिस्ट्री के बारे में। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फॉस्फोरस इज केप्ट इन, 4 ऑप्शंस आर गिवन। ऑप्शन नंबर ए कोल्ड वाटर, बी अमोनिया, सी कैरोसिन, डी अल्कोहल। सो सेलेक्ट योर आंसर. So the right answer will be cold water. Now come to the explanation. Phosphorus is a very reactive non-metal. It catches fire if exposed to air. White phosphorus is highly reactive and spontaneously ignites at about 30 degrees Celsius in moist air. It is usually stored under water to prevent exposure to the air. Question number 2. Which of the following vitamin is essential for coagulation of blood? Vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B1 are the options. So select your answer. So the right answer will be vitamin K. Now come to the explanation. Vitamin K is a nutrient that the body needs to stay healthy. It's important for blood clotting and healthy bones, and also has other functions in the body. If you are taking a blood thinner such as warfarin, it's important to get about the same amount of vitamin K each day. Question number 3. The process employed for the concentration of sulfide ore is, 4 options are given: Hoth flotation, roasting, electrolysis, calcination. So select your answer from the 4 options. So the right answer will be Hoth flotation. Now come to the explanation. The Hoth flotation process is a process that is used industrially for the concentration of sulfide ores of various minerals. Question number 4. Permanent hardness of water is due to the presence of, 4 options are given: chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium, chlorides and sulfates of sodium and potassium, bicarbonates of sodium and potassium, bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. So select your answer. So the right answer will be A, chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. Permanent hardness is due to the presence of soluble salts of magnesium and calcium in the form of chlorides and sulfates in water. Question number 5. 3 elements boron, silicon and germanium are metals, non-metals, metalloids, metal, non-metal and metalloids respectively. Select your answer. So the right answer will be C, metalloids. The elements boron, silicon, germanium are metalloids. Question number 6. A catalyst is, 4 options are given: consumed in reaction, produced in reaction, not affected in reaction, undergo chemical change. So select your answer. So the right answer will be C, not affected in reaction. A catalyst is a substance that can be added to a reaction to increase the reaction rate without getting consumed in the process. Catalysts typically speed up a reaction by reducing the activation energy or changing the reaction mechanism. Enzymes are protein that act as a catalyst in biochemical reaction. Remember this point. देखिए, अभी तक 40% लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब किया है और 60% लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हुआ है, तो आपसे अपेक्षा की जाती है कि आप सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Phenolphthalein is a synthetic indicator and its color in acidic and basic solution respectively are, 4 options are given: red and blue, blue and red, pink and colorless, colorless and pink. So select your answer. So the right answer will be colorless and pink. Phenolphthalein is a type of synthetic indicator which is colorless in acidic medium but gives pink color in basic medium. Remember this. Question number 8. 2 isotonic solutions will have, 4 options are given: vapor pressure, boiling point, freezing point, osmotic pressure. So select your answer. So the right answer will be D, osmotic pressure. Isotonic solutions have same osmotic pressure and same concentration. These two colligative properties depend upon concentration. As the molar concentration is same for isotonic solutions, so elevation in boiling point and depression in freezing point of isotonic solution must be same. Remember these things. Question number 9. Modern periodic law is based on, 4 options are given: atomic size, atomic mass, atomic number, atomic radius. So select your answer. So the right answer will be C, atomic number. Modern periodic law based on atomic number can be stated as, properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic number, that is In the modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in the order of their increasing atomic numbers. Remember this. Question number 10. Seawater can be converted into fresh water by. 4 options are given. Select your answer. Osmosis, sedimentation, diffusion, reverse osmosis. So the right answer will be D, reverse osmosis. Desalination is an artificial process by which saline water, generally seawater, is converted to fresh water. The most common desalination process are distillation and reverse osmosis. Now come to the question number 11. Which of the following among the alkali matter is most reactive? 4 options are given. Sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Select your answer. So the right answer will be D, cesium. Among the alkali metals, cesium is the most reactive. Question number 12. Which law of thermodynamics introduced the concept of entropy? 4 options are given. First law, zeroth law, third law, second law. Select your answer. So the right answer will be D, second law. The first law, also known as law of conservation of energy, states that energy cannot be created or destroyed in an isolated system. The second law of thermodynamics states that the entropy of any isolated system always increases. Remember this. Now come to the question number 13. Which of the following metal form an amalgam with other metal? 4 options are given. Lead, tin, zinc, mercury. ये क्वेश्चन हम पहले भी कर चुके हैं. So the right answer will be D, mercury forms amalgam with other metals. Question number 14. A solution reacts with crushed egg cells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. The solution contain. 4 options are given. Select your answer. NaCl, HCl, LiCl, KCl are the options. So select your answer. So the right answer will be B, HCl. The egg cell contains calcium carbonate which on reaction with HCl liberates CO2 gas which turns lime water to milky. The gas thus formed is an effective effervescent carbon dioxide gas when calcium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid. Now come to the question number 15. Butanone is a 4-carbon compounded with the functional group. 4 options are given. Carboxylic acid, aldehyde, ketone, alcohol. So select your answer. So the right answer will be ketone. Thus from the name of this compound we can say that the compound is a ketone which has a total of 4 carbons. To indicate the presence of a carboxylic acid functional group, the suffix oic acid is used, and here on is used for the ketone. Now come to the question number 16. What is rodenticide? 4 options are given. A medicine to kill worms, a medicine to kill animals, a lubricant, a pesticide. So the right answer will be D, a pesticide. You can read this statement for your understanding purpose. Question number 17. The inventor of the atomic theory. 4 options are given. Rutherford, Madame Curie, Johann Dalton, Albert Einstein. So select your answer. So the right answer will be C, Johann Dalton. Remember this. Johann Dalton is the inventor of atomic theory. Question number 18. Which of the following is estimated by the radiocarbon dating? 4 options are given. Age of the human beings, age of fossils, disease of the human body, purity of the metals. ये क्वेश्चन भी हम पहले कर चुके हैं. So the right answer will be B, age of fossils. Question number 19. The phenomenon of radioactivity was discovered by. 4 options are given. Henry Becquerel, Rutherford, Marie Curie, Madame Curie. So select your answer from the options. So the right answer will be A, Henry Becquerel. Remember this. Question number 20. The ion that is isoelectronic with CO is. 4 options are given. O2 positive, Cn negative, N2 positive, O2 negative. So select your answer. So the right answer will be Cn negative. Isoelectronic species refers to the species which have same number of electrons. So Cn negative is isoelectronic with CO. Both have 14 electrons. Remember this concept also.